Hi, everybody. Vince Jacala, Public Information Officer for Caltrans. We're live right here on Westbound Interstate 80 in Vallejo, between Vallejo and the Carquinez Bridge. So the approach to Carquinez Bridge, also known as the Zampa Bridge. We wanted to give you some insight on what's going on today because we want to be efficient with our time with the whole highway closed. We've got some crews that just right at this moment just did some sealing, crack sealing on the pavement. And this pavement, and then it's very important because what it does is it actually keeps the water out, pretty self-explanatory. And with the weather coming, it'll help the roadway stay in shape. And then obviously with the closure of all of Interstate 80, westbound 80 here this afternoon, there's a lot of work that gets done behind the scenes. We could do this with a lane closure, but obviously it's like safer for everybody involved to do this when the whole highway's closed. And then also we have crews that are busy working on tree trimming, shrubbery removal, fence repair, drainage repair. So you may see some of our maintenance crews working on all these different aspects of the highway. So once again, if you see them out there, be safe and just know that Caltrans is always, busy working on maintenance and keeping up all of our highways, bridges, and tunnels. So, so if you're driving Interstate 80, be safe out there, everyone. We want everyone to be safe, get home safe this weekend. So, reporting live right here on Westbound Interstate 80 in Vallejo, I'm Vince Jacala for Caltrans. Be safe, everybody.